My sister, if gossiping with my name is putting food on your table, who am I to stop your hustle? Hustle Gawa. If gossiping with my family name is putting food on your table, who am I to stop your hustle? Hustle Gawa.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? So I'm back again with another video with the title You Know What You're About to Watch. So you guys, we are going to be talking about veteran Nollywood actor by name Olu Jacob and his wife and other celebrities. So before we dive into this video guys, I want to use this opportunity and say happy Father's Day to all the best fathers in the whole wide world. Like, you guys rock. Happy Father's Day to each and every one of you. So you guys, earlier on there have been a rumor circulating the internet about Nollywood actor by name Olu Jacob that he has passed on, so this rumor have turned out to be fake. His wife and other Nollywood actor Jeka Sylvia confirmed that the news is indeed fake. So speaking to journalists, Sylvia described the news to be depressing, adding that her husband is alive and well. The actress, who disclosed that her husband will clock a new age in July, revealed that she has been receiving calls from her friends and associates wanting to know if the report is true. So Ludico's wife shared this versus her Instagram page, and she also warned people to desist from spreading fake news around. So when I saw this news, I thought to share with you guys because I believe most of you guys might have seen the news or the rumor. I don't know why people are so quick to carry rumors about people's death when the person is still alive. I don't know why. Is it all for views of what? I don't get it, honestly. You guys need to verify your information before you put it out there. Like me in this channel, I don't like coming out to say what I don't know. That's why whenever I share anything, I always make sure I have the video. If I don't have the video, I'll make sure I get it from the right source. You get? So people really need to stop this. Honestly, it's not nice at all. So you will live long, Olu Jacob. You will live long to see your great grandchildren. So you guys, let me know in the comment section if you have heard this rumor before. Let me know in the comment section if you have. So this video is just to let you know that the rumor is not true. Okay, he's still very much alive. So moving on guys, there's this video clip that I would like to share with you guys to watch and see how this young man, did I just say young man? No, he's old man, okay? How he kidnapped this young lady and he wanted to use her for money rituals. Is it money rituals or what? I don't know what he wanted to use the lady for, but he was being caught. Already the lady has already passed out. I don't know what the man did to her, okay? So when the man was being caught, they told her to bring the young lady back to life. You need to see the kind of magic. I don't even know what to call it. You need to see. This one is broad daylight. Or this one they used to act in movie for us. This one is no movie. This one is real. So stay tuned and watch. I will come back with the rest of my thoughts.
na uku in ka dawo baba kana ji na kasa Allah guda ne musu bai mu faɗa mai na uku in ka dawo ne gaskiya ya sani ba na ka tsallaka na uku ka tsallaka in ka tsallaka kana tsallaka ka ce mata Aisha in ni kama ba wani waye ba sai ba ga ai ka mutu bakin ka zai fara ko zai fara kan ba mutu bakin ka sai in ba ta ne wallahi ka cikin da wallahi ka ta cikin da kuma kakare bakinka kana tsallako ta nan ka ce mata Aisha in ni kama ki da na ciki haka da kace amara di ai to bari Aisha in ni kama ki ta hade na ciki Masu bata jan su dogai ka ta fito. Kai mun kare ko? Ka mun kare ka. Don Allah da yin kai mun da mota. Kana da mota. Don Allah da mota.
You guys, can you imagine what is happening? Look at that old man. He's the type of people that when you see them on the road, you pity them, not knowing inside their mind they are evil. Hey, God will protect our children. No, a lot of things are happening in Nigeria. I don't know why. Anyway, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Okay.
Hi guys, still your worldwide unlimited, undiluted and undisputed drama dolly, still on the set of The Throne. It's a direction, Remy Jesse's production, and it's going on well. Meet your beautiful and ever gorgeous princess Asanze in Frederick's voice, Asandinze. That's it. That's your worldwide unlimited drama doll. And please, my sweeties, if you want to be this sexy, be snatched like this, always patronize Killer Curse Beauty Store to look extremely sexy as always. I love you guys so much.
So moving over to Destiny Ekito Unlimited Drama Doll. This young lady is so funny. For those who don't know her, she's an Nollywood actress, and she has revealed that what has kept her relevant in the industry. In fact, let me just read what she said. Having a nice shape was not what made me popular. Whether you are sexy or not, you must have content. You cannot be a star by being beautiful or fair. So she continued by saying, sexiness and beauty can only make people like you, but it won't keep you there for a long time. My sexiness did not give me any special privilege, although it is an added advantage. Another thing that helped me is that I carry grace. When you have the grace to make it, no one can stop you, she said. So this is what she shared versus her Instagram page. What do you have to say? Like
Everything you did for me, I appreciate you so much.
Thank you, my love.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, Oga fe no na ebolozi anya.
Okay.
E chanare nka anyị nọ na yakete ebola anya. Ton godu. Nwa amụla amụ. Amụ na emu aluchi Donald amụ.
Lulu baby.
Lulu baby. Ifuru uku. Na nke nne.
Like mother like
Iyotago.
oh, you don't kill me.
Aleze nwanne nwanya aleze sonso onwero.
Wado. Hey God.
This one will be beautiful.
a woman cried out after she allegedly received 5,000 fake dollars from UBA Bank. You guys, when I saw this video, I was really surprised. How can a bank give you fake dollar? So if a bank give you fake dollar, that means maybe. So let me leave you guys to watch this video. I will come back with the rest of my thoughts.
Hi everyone. Please follow me put mouth into this matter. I am talking in respect of UBA fraud, fake dollar. They changed my original money to fake dollar. So what I am saying in essence is that I opened account in Festac, UBA 21 Road, F close. And the day I was supposed to withdraw my money for the first time, I went there on the 5th of November. They said my account manager is on leave. Shola. Okay, I cannot withdraw my money. I told them please. They said there's nothing I can do, that she must have to identify me. I said okay. What do I do? They said they will call her, even though she's on leave, to come and identify me before they can be able to pay me any money. Okay, now so it starts. I told them to please. They said no, that they can only give me a little money for the day, and that the following day they can allow me to withdraw my money. All right. The following day, being 6th of November 20. 19. I went there between 11 and 12 in the morning, only to see my account manager. Now, every transaction was done, every document signed, my international passport was used to identify me, everything, my BVN stamped, and so when they were to pay me the money, they told me to go and wait at the customer manager's office. In the process, a man came in. They introduced the man as Bureau de change. Because they want to transfer the money from my dollar to my Naira account. The man has to change it into Naira so that he can enter into Naira, so that he can enter into my account. I took the man to the cashier. The cashier drove the man away and said he should wait at the customer manager's office. Two of us waited there. Later I was called to come. I went to the cashier, Demola. Demola handed me over some papers in the name of money. I looked at this money. It does not look at the original dollar I was paying them over the years. Okay, they said I should go and stay upstairs. I went upstairs. After 10 minutes, they came and told me to come down, that money has disappeared, that the money in my hands has disappeared, that is no more complete. I told them, no, I'm still holding it. It's still in my hand. That it has not disappeared at all. Oh. In the process, they said I should come down so that the money should be calculated again. That's the customer manager. I came down. They now looked at they gave it to another cashier to recount. That other cashier started recounting and declared it, oh, everything fake, everything fake. I said, which fake? If it is fake, it is you, Demola, and then you, the second cashier that is a man, that faked it, because I am still in the same bank, and you gave me this paper, and the same paper changed into fake. So please, ladies and gentlemen, please, everybody knows what we are passing through, the economic recession in this country, the economic problem we are passing through. If you see 10 naira, 1 naira, it has big meaning. And for somebody to lose 5,600, I work very hard and I save to update the image of my business, which is herbal medicine, because I'm a herbal doctor. I am Dr. Ifeyinwa Celestina Ezeke. Only for UBA people to arrange within themselves, to connive within themselves, and make it possible for them to use their trick, their professional trick, to connive and retrieve my original dollar, which I've been paying them, and give me fake dollar, and still declared me when I went to make the first report at the police station. Police came with me, only for them to tell the police that I came in to pay fake dollar, and they are the same people. I swear in the name of God Almighty that this case must continue. The fake dollars must go for forensic check, and if after the forensic check, at the end of the day, whoever is responsible for this will go for jail. Will go jail term, because fake dollar is a criminal act in the Constitution of Nigeria. Please, for security purposes and for hunger, to save me first, because at my age I'm coboless. As I'm talking to you now, I have been drained, I have been sandpapered. Please, UBA Foundation, Lanre Raymond, give me my money. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
So you guys, what do you think about what this woman just said? Like, do you believe her, or do you think she's just faking it up? Because if you ask me, if bank can give you fake dollar, that means we are in trouble. Because this is my first time of hearing this. So bank is the only reliable source that you can get genuine money without getting fake. Okay, so let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And she was saying that she has not left the bank, that she was still inside the bank. So how will she change the money? So I think the best thing they would have done is to use CCTV camera instead of allowing the woman to go without giving her the money. So they should use the CCTV camera. That is why the camera is there, you get. So let me know what you think about this whole thing in the comment section. With that being said, we have come to the end of this video today. Thank you so much. If you have made it this far, I'm really so grateful. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also help me share in all social media platform. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to plead with you guys to subscribe to my second channel. It's UJ's TV. Okay, please head over to my second channel, subscribe, and let me know you're coming from this channel. Okay, please, I played with you guys. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description box and then the comment section below. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Also comment down below, let me know what you think about this whole thing. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to stay safe and bye for now.